Okay, let's talk about shabu-shabu. It's the ultimate be your own chef experience.
I mean, you're literally cooking everything right there at your own table. Pretty cool, right?
So what is it? Well, it's all about swishing super thin slices of meat in simmering broth.
Now, the meat is a big deal. In Kansai, it's all about beef. Kanto loves its pork.
And it's not just beef and pork. Some spots even use fish, like yellowtail.
The cooking part is super simple. The name shabu-shabu is actually the swish-swish sound it makes.
You might notice the broth is pretty simple. So where does all the flavor come from? It's all in the dipping sauces. You've got rich, nutty Goma-dare and that zesty Ponzu.
But, things are changing. Modern restaurants are really mixing it up these days.
Now the soup itself gets flavored. Think sukiyaki style, tomato, or even a spicy curry broth.
Okay, once all the meat is gone, whatever you do, do not finish that soup.
Because that's when the best part happens. It's a tradition called shime, or the ending. You add noodles or even rice and egg right into that broth to make a final amazing dish. So it's way more than just a meal. It's a whole experience. Ready to give it a try?